Dr. Kaba opened up my mind when it came to spirituality. He got a book out called Spirituality Before Religions that really changed everything that I believe. And in this book, of course, understanding the African concept and religions that spiritually, that combines spirituality with science. And when you look at nature, that's important when it comes to your spirituality system. The better you understand nature, the food that you eat, you understand the cosmic universes, the better you understand all of what God is. God, everything God created is him or her, and we use that to better ourselves in our spirituality. There is an African presence there that most people like to ignore. And we have to find whatever you believe, whatever religion you believe, understand that it comes from the African thought. It comes from African spirituality. There's something in there that comes from the African concept, and we must find and we must gravitate towards that.